Some immigrants will not be eligible for an immigration bond. For example, you're not eligible for an immigration bond if you have been previously deported, or you have a drug conviction, or you have a conviction for a crime that immigration law requires mandatory detention, such as multiple theft convictions or crimes of violence convictions where you have been sentenced to more than 1 year. An immigration judge can deny anyone an immigration bond if they feel the immigrant is a danger to the community or a flight risk. So knowing that you could potentially be denied the bond, an attorney will need to evaluate your criminal history to determine whether there's a chance the judge may find that you are a danger to the community and what factors you can show to the judge to prove you are not a flight risk. For example, an immigrant arrested for drunk driving who had a really bad accident in which somebody was hurt in the accident and a very high blood alcohol content level may be seen as a danger to the community. Or an immigrant who has only been in the U.S. for 2 years and has no wife, kids, or other family who are U.S. citizens or permanent residents will probably be seen as a flight risk. The second piece of information that the attorney must determine is how serious is the charge you were just arrested for. As we just said, if you are found to be a danger to the community, the judge will not give an immigration bond. That means even if you've never been arrested before and this is your first criminal charge and the case is pending, but it is a serious felony like an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, or sexual assault, or child abuse, or domestic violence, or any case with a victim involved, the accusation may be considered by an immigration judge as too serious to risk letting you out. So if you have a new serious criminal charge pending and you are undocumented, you probably will need to stay in the county jail and fight it from jail instead of risking being moved to immigration custody, only to have the immigration judge deny you bond due to possible danger. Since you have only been accused at the moment, you still have a right to fight the charges and possibly still win your case, which may allow you at a later time to be released by an immigration judge on a bond.